Hello everyone and dear Dr. Shabir. My name is ZengXiancheng and my student ID is 2310949. I'm a final year student at University Science Malaysia. Today, I'm presenting my final year project titled Adoption of AI-powered chatbots in Customer Service made by consumer perception in Malaysia. In this project, I wanted to explore how Malaysian customers respond to AI-powered chatbot services, particularly Maybank's chatbot, and what factors influence whether or not they choose to use it. Over the past few years, we see many banks, including Maybank, adopt AI-powered chatbots to empower their service. These chatbots are meant to provide faster, more convenient customer support. Maybank, for example, introduced MAE and Maybot. However, many customers still hesitate to use them. Some don't trust the technology, while others prefer human interaction. So, the main goal of my study is to find out what facts influence a customer's decision to use or reject these AI-powered chatbot services. Based on that objective, I developed 4 research questions to guide the study. The first 2 are based on the original ATM model, easy of use and usefulness. These are about whether customers feel the chatbot is simple and helpful. Then I include 2 more, trust in the technology and general attitude toward AI. This is because chatbots deal with personal data, and emotional acceptance also matters. These 4 questions help me build a clean direction for my research. This is my conceptual framework. It's adopted from the technology acceptance model, or ATM. As shown here, the model includes 4 independent variables: ease of use, usefulness, trust, and attitude. All of them are expected to influence on outcome, whether customers will adopt or continue using Maybank chatbot services. This framework helped structure the survey and analysis later in the research. Let's briefly talk about the literature. The technology acceptance model, introduced by Davis in 1989, originally focused on perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. Trust is especially relevant in online banking. Studies like those from Japan show it can affect adoption when customers worry about safety. Attitude also matters. Gossery's work explains that people's comfort level with AI impacts their decision. Branson studies chatbot use and found users want systems that are useful, fast, and also feel a bit human. However, this invalid research on AI chatbot adoption in Malaysia banks, so my study helps fill that gap. To collect data, I used a Google Form survey and received 115 complete and valid responses. All respondents had used Maybank's AI chatbot at least once. That ensured they had experience with the technology. We also collected demographic details to understand the background of a user. As this chat shows, the sample was balanced in gender. Most respondents were aged 21 to 40, with diploma or better degrees, and are correctly employed. This helps ensure the findings are based on the relevant and active user group. Before running the analysis, I cleaned the data using SPSS. I removed any incomplete or duplicate entries. Next, I encoded or left scale responses numerically. Then, I ran reliability testing using Chromebox Alpha. The results were very strong. All values were about 0.7, meaning that the questions under each construct were consistent and valid for use in regression. To analyze the relationships between variables, I used multiple linear regression. This method shows how much it affects ease of use, usefulness, trust, and attitude, affects a chatbot adoption. SPSS was used to precise the analysis and calculate the statistical values. The regression results shows that all four variables had a significant impact on chatbot adoption. Usefulness had the strongest effect with a bit value of 0.998, meaning if users find the chatbot helpful, they are most likely to use it again. Ease of use and trust also played strong roles. Attitude had the weakest influence, but it was still statistically significant, so overall, all four hypotheses in the study were accepted. From this, we learned that customers mainly care about whether the chatbot is helpful and easy to use. They also want to feel safe using it. That's where trust comes in. Attitude is more emotional. Some customers still prefer talking to humans or feel unsure about AI, even if the chatbot works well. To conclude, all four variables, ease of use, usefulness, trust, and attitude, had a significant effect on chatbot adoption. Usefulness was the most influential. Based on this, I recommend Maybank enhance chatbot functions to make them more helpful and user-friendly. Also, they can provide onboarding or tools to guide new users. Most importantly, AI should support human customer services, not replace it. Thank you very much for your listening. Thank you.